Welcome back to Max on the Block, guys. Today is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to get started downloading a Bitcoin wallet, how to secure your funds, and how to secure your private key. So for anyone new here, guys, Max on the Block is all about blockchain tech, crypto fundamentals, informing you about the most important things you need to know to get started. And I do appreciate any support by a like, maybe even subscribe to the channel if you're new here as well, guys. Thank you very much. So let's get right into it. So right now we're on copay.io, and Copay is a very useful wallet. Why? Because it's very user friendly. You can use it on Apple, on Samsung, so Android or iOS basically, Linux as well even. So it can work on your phone, on your tablet, or on your laptop. So that makes it very, very user friendly, guys. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and click Get Copay. So as I mentioned, you can get it on the iOS App Store, Google Play, Mac, Windows, or Linux. So I've got Windows, so I'm going to stick with Windows for the purpose of the video. We're going to download it. So I've already downloaded Copay and I'm just going to launch it here. Important thing to note is usually when Copay might open up, you might get a small intro because it's the first time you've used Copay, so it might look a little different, but bear with me here. It's the same procedure. So we create a new wallet, right? So create personal wallet, wallet name, my wallet, select a coin. So one issue with Copay is that it's not a multi-crypto wallet, which means it only supports two wallets, which is Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. But for the purpose of the video, I'm trying to keep it simple and show you guys how to get started. So we create a wallet, right? So now here you can see, I'm just going to make this bigger quickly. You can see, would you like to protect this wallet with a password? So usually I would encourage you to use a password. Why? Because a password gives you an extra step of security for very little effort. Also, if your phone, tablet, or wallet gets stolen, or you lose it, or it just doesn't function anymore, then you know you still got that extra security, in case it is in someone else's hands. They can't really access it because you already have a first protection layer. But for the purpose of the video, I'm going to click no, just to make our life simpler for the video. Yes, I'm sure. So now we've got the wallet here, right? But what's very important is we have to go to options and we have to go to backup. You see, backup is basically where we receive the 12 words that give us access to our wallet, no matter where. So this is the private key. This is very important because consider the 12 words like the digital code to your safe, That's how I think about them. So what we're going to do now is we're going to say, okay, got it. Like it's saying, screenshots are not secure. So what this means is, as soon as you take a screenshot of the private key, there's a digital copy of it online, right? And it's not safe, right? And depending on how much you're looking to invest, actually no matter how much you're looking to invest, you shouldn't leave any traces online of your private key because whoever has that can access your account, right? So what I need you to do now is get a piece of paper, get a pen or pencil, and physically write down the 12 words that you're going to get now. So here they are, right? This is basically your backup phrase, right? So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to open up a blank document and write them down here, right? So vibrant. Make sure to also put them down in the order it's given. That will be the next step. So vibrant, normal, absorb, naive, example, normal, label, match, master, edge, eyebrow, and search. So one thing to note here, guys, is that I'm doing it on my laptop just to quickly give you an outlook of how it works. but I hope right now at this point you didn't take a screenshot nor a picture of your phone and you're writing it down on a piece of paper with a pencil or a pen and then safely stowing it away. So now we've got the words right as it says, carefully write down this phrase. So now I've written it down and I want to go to the next step. So now it's saying verify recovery phrase. What this means is that it wants you to put in the 12 words in the exact order it gave before, just to verify that this is, your private key, your backup phrase. So we're going to do vibrant. Let's push this a bit. There we go. Normal, absorb, naive, example, normal, label, match, master, edge, eyebrow, search, right? Please do the same, guys. Whatever you've written now on that piece of paper, rewrite it in the exact order it's given you, plug it back in and confirm, right? So now it's saying your wallet is backed up, our Bitcoin wallet's backed up. So now we're back by the wallet, right? Sorry. So now what we see here are two options, receive and send. So when we click receive, this QR code comes up. Now this QR code is basically your address. You can always use it. And what this basically is just saying this is your Bitcoin address. So if someone wants to send you any amount of Bitcoin, right? This is how they do it. You have to show them this screen. So either the QR code or copy paste, the address at the bottom, and then they can send you Bitcoin. And the same goes for sending, right? So we have no Bitcoin right now, but usually the way to send is to either scan or also copy paste this set of letters and words, and then it sends it off. So remember how I said the backup phrase is the most important thing, right? Let's do this for an example. So what we're going to do now is go back, and for example, this is the wallet, right? What we do now is we actually delete this wallet, right? Delete the wallet. So now we have the option of creating a new wallet. But because we have that backup phrase now, I think of it of this, right? So either you want to add the same wallet to another device. So let's say you have it on your phone, now you want it on your computer, or you have it on your computer, now you want it on your phone, right? Or you have, for example, you've lost your phone, right? And obviously, you still want access to your Bitcoin. What you do, when you download it again, you can do create new wallet, right? And it gives you these options. Or you can import wallet. So what we're going to do now is we're going to import the wallet, right? What we do now, the words I have written right here, right? That's my backup phrase. So I'm going to plug those in. Vibrant, normal, absorb, naive, example. What's next? Normal, normal again. Label, match, master. Watch out for typos as well when you're doing this. Eyebrow and search, right? So once you have these up again, collect coin, right? So we select Bitcoin. So now I have these up, right? And what I can do now is import wallet, which means it'll bring me back to that wallet, right? So, of course not. Vibrant, normal, absorb, naive, example, normal, label, match, master, edge, eyebrows, eyebrow, Opa. Eyebrow, see, it's coming up a lot, so make sure it's exact, right? Importing wallet. See, it brings us back here. I'm going to click no, I'm sure. And we're back to our old wallet, right? So you've basically now managed to restore or back up your wallet from an existing account, right? So maybe it was on your old phone that broke down, or on your laptop that broke down, or you just want to add the same wallet to another device, right? So basically, that's how to get started with a Bitcoin wallet, guys. I hope the tutorial has been useful. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below, guys. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, guys. If you found it very insightful as well, please do subscribe to the video, guys. I do appreciate your support. And until then, guys, stay safe, stay smart, stay humble, and take care.